Hey everyone, welcome to Crave Logic. Have you ever wondered if humans could live forever? What if we could stay young, healthy, and never get sick? Sounds like something from a science fiction movie, right? But today, we're going to dive into the science behind immortality and whether or not it could ever be possible. Let's see if humans can truly live forever or if it's just a dream. First, let's talk about what we mean by immortality. Immortality means living forever, never dying. For centuries, people have wondered if immortality is something that could actually happen. From ancient myths about gods who never age to today's science, humans have always wanted to know, can we escape death? Before we talk about immortality, let's understand how aging works. Our bodies are made of tiny cells that are constantly working to keep us alive. Over time, these cells get damaged and wear out. This damage is a big part of why we age and eventually die. Imagine a machine that gets more and more broken the longer it runs. That's kind of what happens to our cells as we get older. Our DNA, which is like a blueprint for our body, also gets damaged over time, and that causes problems in how our body functions. Scientists have learned a lot about aging, and they're working hard to figure out how we can slow it down or even stop it. One of the main things they're looking at is something called telomeres. Telomeres are like little protective caps at the end of our chromosomes. That's the part of our cells that carry our genetic information. Every time our cells divide, these telomeres get shorter. Once they get too short, the cell can't divide anymore, and it dies. Some scientists think if we could stop telomeres from getting shorter, we could stop aging. Another exciting area of science is stem cells. Stem cells are special because they can turn into different types of cells. This means they could help fix damaged parts of our body. Researchers are trying to use stem cells to repair tissues, organs, and even help regenerate things like cartilage in our joints. Some scientists believe that if we could use stem cells to repair the damage done by aging, we might be able to slow down the aging process. Genetic engineering is another way scientists are thinking about immortality. This involves changing our DNA to make our bodies better at fighting disease and repairing damage. Scientists are already using genetic engineering in animals to make them live longer. Some animals, like certain species of jellyfish, can even reverse their aging process. Scientists are studying these creatures to see if we can apply what we learned to humans. Okay, so scientists are working on slowing down aging, but what about freezing people when they die? There's something called cryonics, where people are frozen after they die, hoping that one day in the future scientists will have the technology to bring them back to life. It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? But right now, cryonics doesn't actually work. The process of freezing and thawing someone's body causes a lot of damage to their cells. So, even if we could bring people back, there's no guarantee they would be the same person. Another crazy idea that some scientists are exploring is mind uploading. This means transferring your consciousness, basically, your thoughts and memories, into a computer. If this could happen, you could live forever as a computer program instead of a human body. But here's the thing. No one really knows if this would even work. Would you still be you in a computer? Or would you just be a copy of yourself? This idea is still very much in the theoretical stage, so it's not something that will happen anytime soon. Even though science has made huge strides in understanding aging and how we might be able to stop it, we still have a long way to go. There are so many factors that go into aging, things like our environment, lifestyle, and even just the way our bodies are designed. Right now, we can't stop aging, and there's no guarantee we ever will. Now, let's think about something important. Should humans live forever? Imagine living for hundreds or even thousands of years. It might sound amazing, but what would it mean for society? Would everyone have the same opportunities to live forever, or would only the rich get to do it? And what would happen if too many people lived forever? It could create problems with overpopulation and resource shortages. It's not just a scientific question, but an ethical one too. Some people believe that immortality might not be the best thing. They say that if we didn't have death, life would lose its meaning. The idea of death gives us the chance to appreciate the time we have and make the most out of our lives. If we lived forever, we might stop taking life seriously. So, is immortality something we really want? Or is it just something we dream about because we fear death? So, can humans live forever? Well, right now, the answer is no, but science is moving fast, and it's possible that one day we could significantly extend our lives. Technologies like genetic engineering, stem cell research, and even mind uploading might give us ways to slow aging or live in new ways. But even if immortality becomes possible in the future, we'll have to think carefully about what it really means for us and the world around us. What do you think? Should humans try to achieve immortality, or is death an important part of life? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching Crave Logic, and I'll see you in the next one.